I just cannot believe that Apple Month is now upon us. So all this month I'm going to be making recipes that involve apples. Now my first one, it's a unique apple pancake recipe because it involves a big slice of apple. Let me show you how to make it. You need to start by preparing pancake batter according to directions. I'll need to core a couple apples. I see you. And then we slice them into discs. Now comes the fun part. Dip that apple in your batter and place on your griddle. How fun are these? There they are. Sprinkle on a little cinnamon sugar and some maple syrup. Apple Pancakes specialty version. That is really cool and so much fun. I think this is a good recipe for the kiddos. I'd give it a 7.3 out of 10. Which part of a museum makes everybody sneeze? The statues!